Man, there are tons of people selling explainer videos here on Fiverr. So how do you choose? My name's Joel, and I've been a full-time seller here on Fiverr for over 3 years. I've completed more than 8,000 projects, have maintained a 5-star rating, and Fiverr editors named me a super seller. Because I'm US-based and work full-time on Fiverr, you get better service and communication with me. I'm the only seller who will personally handle all of your project from beginning to end. That's right, I do the script writing, voiceover, animations, and editing, and it's all included in my simple rates outlined below. I offer custom characters and sketches, and I can create videos of any length. So don't just order a cheap video, read my reviews, watch my samples, and order now to experience the difference a pro can make for your project. Right here on Fiverr.